Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my subscribers. As always, thank you for your support here on YouTube, Facebook, the Ko-fi site, and the Etsy store. So a few months ago, I did a tag that had a ton of flips and flaps. So I have another variation of that, and let me take you for a quick run through, and then the tutorial is very quick. It's very easy. So here is the cover, and then you flip it up, and then here's a pocket with a journaling card. Here is another pocket with a journaling card. Put that away. Then you fold it down, turn it over. Here is another pocket with a journaling card. And then you're going to flip this up. Here is another pocket with a journaling card and another pocket with a journaling card there. And then we will bring this back down. And then we're going to turn it this way. Here is another pocket with a journaling card. Then we're going to turn it this way. Here's another pocket with some tickets. Show you those tickets, how I made them, pretty simple. And then right here, we flip this up, and here are two more pockets, another journaling card. I put that one away, and then we have another pocket here with a journaling card. And then we're back to the beginning. Now, it seems complicated, but it really isn't. So let me take you through the tutorial. Okay. So I'm going to get the scoreboard, and what you need is, I've already done some pre-work on it to keep the video moving along. So what you need is a paper that is 8 1/4 by 11 inches. Okay, and what you're going to do, turn the paper, and you'll fold it in half. Do your your crease, and then hold it this way, right, so that you're back to the 8 1/4 by 11, and then you are going to score. You're going to score at 2 3/4 of an inch. You'll score all the way down, and then you will score again at 5 1/2 inches. You will score all the way down, and you will have 6 essentially rectangles. And just so that you could see these a little bit better, I distressed them. And what you're going to do is, you could either use a scissor, or if you have a machine or something, a device that you use to cut, you're going to cut on either side, on both sides of the score line. So you're going to cut, I'm on one side of the score line, and as neatly as possible, I'm doing this fast because it's a demonstration, you're just going to bring your cut to where you folded. And then you will do the same on the other side of the score line. And then you'll just cut that right out. And then you'll do the same with this side. And then you'll get something that looks like the following. Okay, so I have this here. And I just left these little stringy pieces just to show you where I did the cuts on both sides of the score line. And then you're just going to cut that off, and you'll do the same on the other side. You'll just pop that right off, and then you'll get something that looks like this. So you'll see the spaces here. And then what you're going to do is, you see how I'm holding this? I'm going to take these two on the end, and I'm going to fold them down. and this one in the center, I'm going to fold it back. Okay, so I have two in the front that fold the same way. They're folded down, and then the one in the middle is folded back. Okay, and then what I did, I just simply took my right hand and I brought it over to my left hand. And then you can do any adjusting that you need to, and then give it a crease. And then, you know, you might get a perfect fold. You might get a slightly fold that's a little bit off, but that's okay. It's junk journaling. Okay, so you saw the way that this one functioned. It had that flap in the front. Here's that flap in the front. Then I turned it over. Here's another flap. So I'm turning it over. Here's another flap. Then I turned it again. And I have the back. Turned it again for a flap. Turned it again for a flap. And then I'm back to the beginning. Okay, so you could leave your project like this without angles, or you can cut angles and just cut it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Very simple. And how you decorate it is how you decorate it. Okay, everyone, if you like this video, please share, please hit the like button, and please subscribe. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.